Tell me what we're doing here, hon.
Well, one thing that we talk about on this channel is how to make something better. And for years I have used vanilla. And I've always wanted to try and make my own. So that's what I'm doing. Takes about 6 months to make a good batch of vanilla at least. So it's June, so we need to get started. What I have done is I ordered glass bottles, and these are 8.5 ounces. I've ordered Madagascar vanilla beans. These are extract grade, so
Is that what you have to have, is extract grade?
you can have the better grade, but they're more expensive.
Okay.
So I got these. And quantity 26, they also come in a 52 pack, which I already made one batch. And I needed some more. So I got 2 packs of 26. For some reason it was cheaper that way. And the biggest ingredient I think that you need, party size
Vodka.
of vodka. And I'm
That's the big
gonna
one.
stand behind you. Is that better? It doesn't have to be your Grey Goose, okay? It doesn't. As a matter of fact, you see this is the Kirkland brand, and no, I'm not sponsored by them by any means, but this is the you want decent quality, but and actually bourbon can work too. Any kind of spirit can work, but vodka is, just is the cleanest, clearest.
Is there a proof range that it needs to be?
80 proof, 80 to 90 proof.
80 to 90.
What I'm doing here, and I'm making, I want to say double strength. I'm putting 7 vanilla beans, and I'm splitting the vanilla beans down the middle and putting the whole bean in the bottle.
And that's about a cup of vodka in each one of those.
Yeah. And let me count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more to go in that. And then I'll show you how to do the vodka. To me, it's very cumbersome. Ooh, where is my tool to have is a small funnel if you have a small opening on your bottles. So one thing I do, I don't pour straight from this bottle into that funnel. That I have to break it up a little bit. So I'm gonna pour some out into a cup that's kind of pliable a little bit, and then put this in, and I try to raise it up where it's not, made a stop, but it's just up high enough, and pour the vodka in enough to cover your beans. It might be a little bit too much, but as long as you have enough space to put your top on.
So why do we need this many bottles?
I need this many bottles because it's June. It takes 6 months. What I'd like to do is give these to family and friends as Christmas gifts. So it needs time to make. So let me show you a batch that I started a couple of days ago. A couple of days ago, already the color is beginning to turn. That the spirits will extract all the lovely vanilla, and within 6 months you'll have a usable, nice bottle of Madagascar vanilla.
Nice. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Christmas in, not July, but June.
Oh, June.
Yeah, but that's how you do it.